YouTube? This is Marcel. You already know y'all watching Marcel TV, man. And we back with another video today. We back with a banger, man. You already know I told y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. I've been seeing y'all subscribe. Thank you everybody who been subscribing to the videos. Please make sure y'all continue to subscribe and like on this video. So today's video, see the box? We got some downpipes. We got some catless stainless steel race downpipes that we about to put on the truck. Finally, long awaited. I've been waiting. So far the truck just has a coder intake, it has a blow-off valve, it has a 93 SCT tune, and I have a muffler delete and resonator delete. That's what I have so far. So we about to put the downpipes on. It is gonna make my check engine light come on because it's a catless downpipe. So when y'all see my check engine light on, don't be like, oh. So the check engine light is gonna be on. I'm not really worried about that shit. I know my remote start's not gonna work. I know that, y'all. I know. I might get an aftermarket remote start. I don't know. I need to put my seatbelt on though. I'm riding dirty, y'all. No seatbelt on. Put my seatbelt on. Hold on, man. Click it or ticket, y'all. I don't want to be fucking around on here. You know, ticket. But yeah. So we on our way. We on our way to the shop. We gonna get the downpipes put on. I'm gonna let y'all hear. It's kind of hard for me to let y'all hear the exhaust, because I don't really have nobody to. I'm out here filming by myself, so I don't really have nobody to rev the engine for me. I try to give it a few revs, from inside the car maybe, but probably ain't even really worth it. But when it's done, I'm gonna have the guy up there rev it or whatever, so y'all can hear how it sounds, whatever. Hopefully we get some good turbo whistle. I've been looking online and stuff, and I've been watching a couple videos on YouTube, and I've seen a couple trucks with the downpipes, and they have a really good turbo whistle. So that's what I'm going for. I want to hear that shit. I want to hear that shit. So we on our way to the shop. We'll pick the video back up when we get to the shop. All right, y'all. So we here at the shop. These, what I got, the CVF downpipes. All in this box, man. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna take this box out so I can show y'all. All right, so look, that's what we got. These are downpipes. Show them to y'all real quick. Whoo! Fresh out the box, baby. Hopefully we get some good turbo whistle, you know what I'm saying? Put this back. So, I'll let y'all see in a minute. I'm gonna try to give y'all one more rev before the downpipe's gone. I'm gonna give y'all one last start and a couple revs before I get the downpipes put on. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple more. Hey, when you start it, can you rev it a little bit for me so I can get a before after clip? All right, so here before, y'all. Here we go. All right, let me show y'all. We got them in. Got the downpipes in. Shit look good. Should get some good turbo noise now. Coming all the way back. We got the resonator delete all the way back, all the way back. to muffler delete. Boom. So we should get some real good turbo noise after this, y'all. Crazy. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. Shit. Coming soon, y'all. Give it a little gas. Damn, that shit loud as fuck. Damn. Bro, the whistle sounds so crazy, bro. This shit sound crazy. Ooh, I heard that whistle. That shit sound crazy, bro. Sound crazy. That whistle sound too good. So listen, downpipes is on. We're gonna take a little ride. Listen, make sure y'all come to Avoid. Look, this who did my my downpipes. Make sure y'all come to Affordable Auto Service, man. They do real good work. I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show y'all. But listen, we about to get in the car. I'm gonna ride around a little bit, let y'all hear it or whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Listen, they do real good work. They put my intake on. They put my my blow-off valve on. They did my downpipes. They do real good work. So Affordable Auto Service. Make sure y'all come check them out, man. Show them some love. We about to get in here and let y'all hear how it sounds. Oh man, this shit about to be crazy, bro. The way it sounds, it just sounds so good. I gotta roll these windows up, though. Oh, turn that music down. That whistle is crazy, y'all. The whistle is crazy as hell. I'm not gonna lie. That's really what I wanted, though, you know? That turbo whistle, because you really couldn't hear it at first. Let's see how it's riding, though. Now we got full exhaust. We got downpipes, we got muffler delete, and we got resonator delete. So we got full exhaust. Crack the window a little bit. Woo! It's loud as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, it do feel a little bit faster. I gotta really like ride it in like sport mode. Put it in sport mode and see how I feel. Let's put it in sport mode, y'all. We're in sport now. Roll the windows down a little bit. It feel alright, it feel decent. I need a real tune, y'all. The tune that I got right now is just SCT tune. It's not really like a real aggressive tune. If I put a real tune on here, E85, then yeah, it'd be fast, but I'm not doing that. Ooh, do y'all hear that whistle? Ooh, that shit sound crazy. Look, hold on. I know y'all hear that, bro. Let me put it in. Bro, this bitch sound like a diesel truck. Them turbos sound crazy as hell. Oh my God, this truck is loud as fuck. Look at him, he turned around looking at us, look. Oh my God. All right, YouTube, that was it for today's video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Make sure y'all like the video, man. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the exhaust. I'm gonna be hitting y'all with some more videos soon, man. I got a lot more content coming up. So like I say, I appreciate everybody for supporting the channel, man. Make sure y'all subscribe for me, man. We're trying to get 10K this year, so make sure y'all subscribe, man. I'll see y'all on the next video.